It's time to tackle this closet in my master bedroom. It's just time. Hi, my name is Claudia and welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. If you're new here, I thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I talk a lot about organizing and decluttering your space and doing it on a budget of $100 or less. So we're going to keep it real and I'm just going to take you through the journey, and hopefully some of the things that I do here will be helpful for you and you can implement it into your own spaces. So today, I'm going to tackle this closet. My husband and I both share this closet and we're both pretty organized, but it's just functional. I just really want to get everything coordinated and cohesive and just make my closet into a space that I love to walk into. Let's get started. So here's our closet. It's a walk-in closet. As you see up top, I have some towels and steamer over there. I have these brown baskets which I have used for extra hair supplies and also nail supplies in both of the other two brown baskets. I have some things I have stuffed right there in the back. This side of the closet is for my husband's clothes. He has all his clothes on this side, and you see his pants and his shirts. Those brown drawers are for him to put his socks and underwear and pajamas, and those two bottom drawers that you see, they don't come out very well. So we want to get that replaced. On the bottom, we have a lot of things like toilet paper and hats for my husband. We also have some bags stuffed back there with the dry cleaning clothes, and there's a laundry basket that works out pretty well. And then you see we have my clothes. On top, I have more extra supplies and hair supplies that are just kind of thrown up there, and those boxes are heavy. On the bottom, I have some extra hangers, and I have my taller shoes on the bottom there. And in that white container, I have my socks. In the bigger container, I have my clothes and underwear and things that needs to be folded. You'll see some boots, purses that don't have enough place, that don't have a place to go, and my husband's shoes on that side, and some more purses. Up top, I have some cards that I haven't looked at in years. And that black bag is part of my out of season clothes. You'll see my shoes right there on the rack and some things I have hung behind the door. And then this closet is a pretty deep closet. Let me show you how deep it is. And it could just be a better functioning space. So we're gonna work on that.
We never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go.
Okay, so here are all the clothes and shoes that I took out of my closet. As you see, it was a lot of stuff. I have my containers out, and it pretty much took up every square foot of my bedroom. Clothes all over the bed. I did leave a little space over there to work with, but it was a lot of stuff, all those purses and shoes and everything and toilet paper. So now I've got to find a place for everything. and make sure that everything will fit in there in a way that is functional for us and will work in a way that we can walk in there and be happy about it. So now it's time to clean. I need to get all the dust that's on these shelves off. I mean, it was pretty dirty. Look at that. So I'm going to wipe everything down, get all the shelves cleaned, and get all the dust off of every shelf and get ready for paint. Okay, so if you don't know this trick about keeping your pans clean, of course I learned it after I got my pans dirty, but you can use a trash can and put it over the top and use that as a liner, and that way when you finish painting, all you have to do is take the trash bag off and throw it in the trash. Pretty cool. And here is the fully painted closet. I took one day to paint the bottom half and I used the other day to paint the top half, and it was a lot of work. I was pretty sore after that from going up and down the ladder, but guess I need to just get into better shape. So here's the stain that I decided to use on the rails because they were pretty messed up. They had a lot of paint on them. So I sanded them down and decided to rub this stain on it to make it look a lot better. Like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you have the notification button turned on so you will be notified of any upcoming videos. Make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how I pack up my out-of-season clothing and store them away. So these are the 2 bags of clothes that I had from my declutter that I'm going to be donating to a shelter, and it actually ended up turning out to be more than that. So I finally finished my master closet organization. I am so happy this is done. It is finished. I was able to take out my seasonal clothes and pack them away in bags because I wanted to make sure that I was using every space wisely. And so I have these bags that I bought off Amazon, and I use these to put away all of my seasonal clothes. And when I'm finished with them, I just take them and put them in my guest closet and stack them up and get them out of my main closet so that I have room to use the space in my main closet for other things, and it just works out perfect. That really freed up a lot more space. I'm so glad I painted. I can now walk in there. It is bright, it is airy. It just feels so much better. I even got my husband to go through all his clothes and get rid of the shirts that, you know, the top collars are too tight, or pants that he just doesn't wear anymore. And I'm so happy he did that. We've had those things for a while, and we've changed over the course of the last few years. So I'm glad he was able to do that so that now he can look at his space and see exactly what he has. I need to know, when was the last time that you went through your closet, purged the things you know you don't wear anymore, and donated those things out? How often do you do that? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'd be curious to know. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me as I reorganize my closet. If you like what you saw in this video, please check out some of my other videos. I'll have those linked in the description box below. And also, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to become part of my family. I like to do my projects for under $100. So I didn't want to go out and just buy a bunch of stuff that I just did not need. I kept this at about $86 to get everything done. So if you're ready to see the big reveal, let's go, let's go, let's go. I hope that some of the things that I did today will be something that you can use when you are working on reorganizing your closet. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, hugs and love. Bye.